Once, this time, I had a best friend named Zavala. She was smart and pretty, and a lot of people like her. She was very popular at school. A lot of people praise her every day, which kinda gave me less attention to my other friends. Even my crush likes Zavala, which made me kinda sad and mad, although Zavala is still a good friend. One time, there was a news that Zavala went missing. I was devastated. The next day, I was just getting ready for school, but then the news said they found Zavala. But that can't be Zavala. BC, I killed her and buried her in the dirt 2 days ago.